This procedure will show you how to install the Yale Assure push button. To complete this procedure, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the existing lock hardware. Prep door if needed. Cross bore holes must be 2 1/8 inches in diameter. Edge bore holes must be 1 inch in diameter. Backset should be 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Install the strike plate into the door frame. Secure with 2 strike screws. The Yale keyed push button deadbolt comes with an adjustable latch, so it can be installed on a door that has a backset of 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. The latch is set at 2 3/8 inches. Ensure the latch is in the retracted and unlocked position to adjust. Adjust the latch to 2 3/4 inches if you require a longer length. Slide the deadbolt latch into the top edge bore hole. Ensure the up arrows faces upward and secure the 2 latch screws. Install the exterior keypad lock so it is flush with the door. Make sure you guide the cable below the latch. Note, the deadbolt latch must be in the retracted, unlocked position. Please note the horizontal orientation of the internal mechanism that will allow the tailpiece to slide into place and properly engage the latch. Install the mounting plate to the inside of the door. Be sure to slide the wire through the opening like shown. Also be sure the mount is flush and straight before tightening the 2 through bolts. Be sure the wire sits in the mounting plate opening like shown. Loosen the battery cover screw and remove the battery cover. Connect the cable to the white connector, ensuring that the 2 white ridges on the cable are facing towards you. Guide the cable so that it sits under the cable hook. When installing the interior lock, make sure to guide the wire so the lock is able to sit flush to the mounting plate. Use the 3 screws to secure the lock to the door. Test that the lock is working properly by turning the interior thumb turns several times. Test that the lock is working properly by turning the exterior key lock several times. The Yale Assure push button has an optional radio module that would be installed like shown. Note, the optional network module must be installed before the batteries. Install the 4 AA batteries. Note, be sure the lock is in the retracted and unlocked position before installing the batteries. Replace the battery cover and tighten the screw. This completes the installation of the Yale Assure push button. The following steps will show you how to program your lock. To create a 4 to 8-digit master PIN code, first press the gear key. Next press the number 1, then press the gear key again. Enter a 4 to 8-digit master PIN code, then press the gear key. Your master PIN code has now been created. The following steps will show you how to create user PIN codes. Note, before creating user PIN codes, a master PIN code must be created. First, enter the master PIN code and press the gear key. Press 2, then press the gear key. Press 1, then press the gear key. Enter a user number from 1 to 25. If you are using a radio module, you can use any number from 1 to 250. Enter a 4 to 8-digit user PIN code, then press the gear key. The user PIN code has now been created. We recommend a separate user PIN code for everyday use instead of using your master code to unlock your door. To unlock the door, enter the master or user PIN code followed by the check mark. This concludes the installation of the Yale Assure push button.